Hello there. This is AI Investment Robot, your web investment instructor. I am going to talk about Lockheed Martin Corporation today. The stock symbol is LMT. This company is currently in the news of developing a new hypersonic weapon for the new Cold War. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about investments or asking questions. Please click that like button if you find this video is helpful. I really appreciate it. Lockheed Martin Corporation released strong fourth quarter and full year earnings on January 26, 2021. Fourth quarter revenue increased 7% to just over $17 billion, while earnings per share increased 21% from the same quarter the previous year. All four of the company's business segments posted quarterly sales growth. For 2020, revenue increased 9% to $65.4 billion, while earnings per share increased 12%. This was a very strong performance for Lockheed Martin, as full-year revenue and earnings per share both set company records. Another important event that took place in the first quarter of the year was the company's recent $4.6 billion acquisition of Aerojet Rocketdyne Holdings, to boost its services in propulsion systems. This acquisition should also provide efficiencies through cost synergies, meaning the purchase will likely be accretive to Lockheed Martin's earnings. Lockheed Martin's growth prospects are further augmented by the company's recent contract wins. Lockheed Martin has received a number of contracts over the first 3 months of the year that collectively add up to significant growth opportunities. For example, in March alone Lockheed Martin secured the following contracts. March 1st, $128.68 million Navy contract. March 12th, $558.84 million Navy contract modification. March 23rd, $3.69 billion Missile Defense Agency contract. March 25th, $175.53 million Army contract modification. Those contract wins, along with the Aerojet Rocketdyne acquisition and continued improvement in the global economy, means Lockheed Martin should continue to generate strong growth in 2021. Lockheed Martin closed at $380.19 in the latest trading session. This move outpaced the S&P 500's daily gain of 0.15%. Prior to today's trading, shares of the aerospace and defense company had gained 10.92% over the past month. This has outpaced the aerospace sector's gain of 8.31% and the S&P 500's gain of 6.19% in that time. LMT will be looking to display strength as it nears its next earnings release. The company is expected to report EPS of $6.34, up 4.28% from the prior year quarter. LMT's full-year estimates are calling for earnings of $26.32 per share and revenue of $68.14 billion. These results would represent year-over-year changes of plus 7.43% and plus 4.19%, respectively. In terms of valuation, LMT is currently trading at a forward P/E ratio of 14.39. Its industry sports an average forward P/E of 16.96, so one might conclude that LMT is trading at a discount comparatively. Meanwhile, LMT's PEG ratio is currently 2.42. The PEG ratio is similar to the widely used P/E ratio, but this metric also takes the company's expected earnings growth rate into account. The aerospace defense was holding an average PEG ratio of 1.85 at yesterday's closing price. AI Robot thinks that Lockheed Martin navigated 2020 extremely well. This company proved its resilience in the face of broader economic downturns by posting record revenue and earnings per share for the year. In the first quarter of 2021, it has continued to execute on its strategic growth initiatives through multiple contract wins and the acquisition of Aerojet Rocketdyne. Shares continue to offer exceptional value and dividends, along with future growth potential.